Is this good timing or not? Possibly, yes. Good timing. Oh yeah, very good timing. All we want is the fourth set to be on time now. It sounds like she's coming. Is it? Yes. Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Al in the loft. First there's a little preview of the next video. Well, there we go. 18mm by 2.5 meters plus a little bit to end the town scene and start the road bridge over the river. Well, there we go. 2.5 meters of upright wall for the back of this platform 1, I think. There we go, there's the board waiting for the saw. And now I've got extra storage. Got 3 shelves and a dumping ground there for all the dead things. So I can clean up this whole area now and get it functioning a bit better. Because as you can see, it's a right mess. And I want to put out a special thanks to these guys. I've had an addition. Hopefully a few other people will come and join me at some point. And today is all about a bloody hell. Okay, today it's just a running session. Afternoon's running session, and we've got a special friend here. He's been before, he's bought a different pair of Locos this time, so let's introduce him.
Oh, hello, it's Mark here from Stanover Model Railway, and I've just come up for a running session with Alan.
Bang. Right, here comes the running session. I say arm on the bottom, rails, Mark's on the top. That's my Black 5 S15. And what have you got here, Mark?
Right, we've got a Crusty Boiler 9F. It's a Hornby model, railroad one. I think it dates from about 2014, and it's put in some an assortment of BR wagons.
And this one?
Right, another Hornby model again. This is a King class King Stephen, and it's put in some Hornby centenary coaches. I think in real life they were made, I'm not quite sure, I think it was late 20s, early 30s, roughly around that period.
So Mark's at the controls. Okay Mark, take them away, let's go. This is the start of the running session. Somebody said they liked seeing all the brake vans together, so I thought I'd give them another run. With Bernie's Crossways 2 in there, and I should have put Alan from Buckland Junction's one on the back. Black 5 or not? Where is she? He's dragging her ass a bit.
Hope that changed your mind.
back on the bridge for a bit of train spotting. Well, we're bringing this video to an end now. It's been a great afternoon running session. A few laughs, a few spills. Four coming next. And three. Oh, lovely jubbly. And the black 5 if you would. Never mind, that's alright. Okay, there we go, that's the 4 lovelies. And we will have a little look at Mark's black, no it's not a black 5, 9F and Castle, is that? King. Bit of closer look at Mark's King class. King Stephen. Yeah, nice model. He's run well this afternoon. Real coal and driver and fireman there inside. Look, camera's not getting it very well. So that's Mark's King. Never been here before, but she's enjoyed stretching her legs. Mark's 9F with front labs. It's the crusty boilered one. Is that right, Mark?
That's correct, yeah.
Got driver and fireman in, and real cold in the tender. So that's the end of the running session. So we'll set them off now. Okay, Mark, take them away, please, because he is the driver. There we go. There goes the King. And a lovely set of carriages again. The 9F, the nice raker trucks of all kinds. Nice brake pan on the back. And there goes my old girls. The S15 and all the brake pans, including 2 from Crossways, Burnley at Crossways Point Junction, and my black 5 on the parcels.
Alright, well thanks again for a lovely running session, Al. Really enjoyed that, and I'll see you all again soon. This is Mark out.
Well, there we go, that's the end of the running session. Had quite a good time, chitting, chatting, playing trains, A few spills, but nothing really to worry about. If anybody else in reach hitting distance of Dover fancies a run session, just let me know. The email is down below. The only stipulation is you must bring a couple of locos and some running stock to add to the video. So yeah, thanks for your support. Thanks for watching this far, and I gotta say, on and out. Take care, good peeps. Bye.